Is your website loading slow and feeling vulnerable? If you are just using the basic DNS that came with your domain registrar, you might be leaving yourself wide open to attacks. Basic DNS just is not enough anymore. What you need is PremiumDNS from Namecheap. It gives you serious speed and real security, and you can get it set up in just a few minutes. So here is the plan. I am going to walk you through exactly how to purchase PremiumDNS for your domain. Just follow these simple steps, and you will have a faster, more protected site before you know it. All right, let us start. The first thing you want to do is open up your browser and head over to Namecheap.com. Just type it in and hit enter. You will land on their main homepage. From there, look over at the top menu. You will see a section labeled Security. Hover over that, and a drop-down menu will pop up. Right there, you will see the option for PremiumDNS. Go ahead and click on it. This is your ticket to a much stronger DNS setup. Now you are on the PremiumDNS product page. It lays out all the benefits, like faster resolution times and DDoS protection. When you are ready, find the big Buy Now button and click it. That will take you to the configuration screen. And here is where we make a choice. The page will ask you if you want to use a domain you already own with Namecheap, or if you want to purchase a brand new domain. Since you likely already have a site you want to protect, you will click on the option that says Purchase a New Domain. Do not let the wording confuse you. This just means you are buying Premium DNS service for a domain. It does not mean you are buying a new domain name. A text field will appear. Go ahead and type in the domain you want to protect. Make sure you spell it exactly right. Double-check it. Once you have typed it in, click the Purchase a New Domain button again to confirm your selection. This will add it to your shopping cart. All right, now we are moving to the review stage. Take a quick look at your cart to make sure everything looks correct. You should see PremiumDNS listed for your domain. Here, you can also choose how long you want the service to run. Usually 1 year is a good starting point. Make sure the quantity and the price look right. In my experience, this is where people sometimes rush and miss a detail, so take just a second here. When you are happy with everything, click the Continue button to move to checkout. Now you are on the final step. Fill in your payment details and any promo codes you might have. Once you are set, complete your order and you are done. And that is it. In just a few minutes, you have upgraded your site from a basic, vulnerable setup to something fast and protected. You have got PremiumDNS running on your domain, which means faster load times for your visitors and a much stronger defense against attacks. Your site just got a serious upgrade.